Here in Vietnam, the food is absolutely incredible. From the savory soups to the fine dining, everything is packed with flavor. But today we're trying something a little different, some amazing sweet treats from ABC Bakery.
You're quite famous.
Really?
Chef Cao Shu Look is very particular about his products. Every recipe is specifically designed to be the best it can be. And in order to do that, Chef Cao knows only the best ingredients can be used. His preference? U.S. and Washington ingredients.
We like Washington flour. The wheat absorbs the water more. The quality is better. I believe quality. Quality is very important for us.
That quality is paid off. ABC Bakery has become one of the premier bakeries in Vietnam.
All the fast food chain in Vietnam, I calculated about 98% the customers is ABC supply. Whole the country. We use all the flour from US, Washington flour.
Yeah. The dough looks so perfect.
Yeah.
And fluffy and amazing. What a facility you have. A lot of bread.
This line, all the burger line. We make the hamburger bun line. Have a Burger King, KFC, McDonald's.
Wow.
Every day, 8,000 pieces.
8,000 buns?
80,000.
80,000.
Yeah, 8.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So a lot. Those are perfect. That's like a big carousel of buns.
Many years ago, I have go to US. For example, the daily products, cheese and butter, something so nice.
Yeah.
But nobody to import the good quality from Vietnam. They worry about the price only. They don't worry the quality. But I'm different.
To solve this, Chef Cao came up with a special solution. His company would import all the specific ingredients he needed. Tomas is talking with one very special person who's in charge.
My name is Christine, and I'm the second generation of ABC Bakery.
So you probably grew up eating all that sort of stuff, didn't you?
We ate, we tried, we are the guinea pigs.
Yes.
Christine is Chef Cao's daughter. As the second generation of ABC Bakery, she knows that getting the right ingredients is the key to a perfect product.
Quality will be something that people remember. We always remember the taste that we eat when we was young, and we want to find back that taste.
You know, as we're in here and we're chatting, it's pretty comfortable. But you have other places that are a little bit more chilly, right?
Yeah, so I will let you feel the comfort here first. And after that, I'll freeze you, and after that, I thaw you.
Okay, let's go. Let's go check it out. Let's get chilled down. Just from there to here, we just dropped. This is really, really chilly.
Behind you, you will see a very big door.
Oh, this is a big door.
This one is going to drop you to -20. Here, we keep the finished product where we are going to export.
Okay, look at the frosty plastic. Oh, woo! My shoes are sticking to the floor. Now we're in the serious business. This is where we're getting cold. Well, let's go talk some more, but not in this room.
I'm shivering.
To end the day, Chef Cao let us try one or two of his baked goods.
I cannot believe how many beautiful baked goods we have in front of us right now. We're so lucky.
I'm a little overwhelmed at the
know.
amount of goodness sitting here.
US wheat from Washington. They can make the cake more softer.
It is so perfectly spongy.
Soft, yeah, spongy, yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's so soft. It does. It melts in your mouth.
Coming from Washington State, it fills me with a lot of pride to know that, you know, our farmers are producing things that someone in Vietnam is bringing to such life and flavor. Chef, this is incredible.
So you say delicious in Vietnamese.
Right?
Ngon.
Ngon.
Yeah.
Ngon.
Ngon, yeah.
Very nong.
Coming up, we're learning how special weeding technology is helping a Washington wheat farm.
We think our wheat is the best in the world. The customers that we deal with tell us that.